Have you ever wondered what your body is really made of inside? Today, we explore animal tissues, the building teams that keep you alive and moving. A tissue is a group of similar cells working together to perform one specific function. Think of it like market women selling tomatoes, all doing the same task side by side. Tissues sit in the middle of life's organization. Cells form tissues, tissues form organs, organs form systems, and systems form the whole organism. You. Animal tissues fall into four main groups: epithelial, connective, muscle, and nervous. Remember the phrase, "every cow must nibble," to recall all four easily. Epithelial tissue covers and lines body surfaces. It protects your skin, lines your stomach, and helps absorb food, like a tiled floor sealing every gap. Connective tissue supports and joins body parts. Examples include blood, bone, and cartilage. Without it, your body would collapse like fufu without a bowl to hold it. Muscle tissue contracts to create movement. Skeletal muscle moves your bones, smooth muscle moves food in your gut, and cardiac muscle pumps your heart day and night. Nervous tissue carries electrical messages between brain and body. It lets you feel a hot pot, blink an eye, and kick a football, all in milliseconds. Many students confuse a cell with a tissue. Remember, one cell alone is not a tissue. A tissue is always many similar cells working as a team. Damaged tissues cause disease. Weak connective tissue brings rickets, low blood causes anemia, and nerve damage leads to paralysis. Healthy tissues mean a healthy body. Remember our memory aid. Every cow must nibble for the four tissue types. Master this and exam questions on tissues become easy points. Subscribe to Ovasaabi for more lessons that make biology simple. Visit ovasaabi.com and keep learning with us today.